The power of land banking. Now, in 2021, the Gulf Annex and Trans-Ekulu were selling for 10 to 15 million naira in these neighborhoods for a plot. But today, in the same the Gulf Annex and Trans-Ekulu, to get a plot of land there is from 40 to 45 million naira, which simply means that those who bought in 2021 at 10 to 15 million naira must have resold to 50 to 60 million naira. Now, this is the power of land banking, because they must have grown their profits for over 35 million naira without doing anything on that property. So now, what is land banking? Land banking is when you identify an underdeveloped or developing area and go ahead of other people to secure yourself a plot in that axis and hold it for 4 to 5 years and watch your appreciation grow and later sell for a higher price at profit. This is exactly what land banking is. Now, if you missed out on buying in the Gulf Annex and Trans-Ekulu, another wonderful opportunity is here for you to buy into a phase in Enugu State that is currently experiencing such development that was in 2021, and I'm talking about the Peace Garden Estate. Now, Peace Garden Estate is in the stage that the Gulf Annex and Trans-Ekulu was in 2021, which means that if you miss out on that opportunity, this is another chance for you to lock in and experience another growth and development in the next 4 to 5 years that you can also sell and experience a higher amount of profit. So Peace Garden Estate is currently at a pre-sale price of 20 million naira only. And the beautiful part is that, so that you don't miss out on this opportunity, there's a nice payment plan for you, whereby you make an initial deposit of 10 million naira and you spread the balance in 3 months and lock yourself in on this outstanding and amazing opportunity right here in the city of Enugu. So a plot in Peace Garden Estate measures for 500 square meters, which is large enough for you to house anything you want to build on it, or just to hold it down for the future appreciation. Also, it comes with a registered deed and a registered survey plan, which simply means that this property is verifiable at the Ministry of Land and it is free from any form of litigation, any government interest, or any community or boundary issues in this property. It also means that once you buy your property, you are free and you can go to rest, and knowing that your property is fully protected and secured. So what can you do today? What you can do today is to call me on the number shown on your screen today, and let us bring you down here for a physical inspection so you can see what beautiful opportunity this is, and to know that you shouldn't miss out on it today. So I'm waiting for your call on the number shown on your screen while you have a wonderful day.